Here he is. Happy afternoon. Happy afternoon. And who's this? Who's this one? And who's that one? Oh, it's only me. It's not Morris. Oh, who's that? Is that your wifey? Yes, it is. You know that beautiful coffee? I love you too. I love you. So it's the morning and I was in bed and I just heard a Did I hear a kookaburra call? Cook! Tut! Where is she? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hello. Good morning. I've just got a stick because of the There we are. You are everything. You're my everything. Come on. Cook. You woke me up. You always wake me up. What a beautiful way to wake up in the morning. What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you. Gosh, I love you so much. Kookaburra. Where's the other one? Right? Where is she? Boo. Boo. Let's zoom out. There we go. Good morning. I love you. Such a good baby. Baby! I can see baby. Here he is. Here he is. Oh, look behind you. You're going to get attacked. You don't. Baby.